Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can link a private story on Snapchat. So before starting this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And let's start this video without any further ado. And yeah, watch this video until the end so you guys can understand how you guys can add a private story link on Snapchat as well. Because if you skip, then you guys might get confused. So let's start the video. So first you need to make sure your story is private. Like if you just post a random story on your Snapchat, without making a story private, then everybody on your Snapchat who is added as your friend can see it. So first we are going to make our Snapchat story private and select those people who can see it. So for this, go to your profile over here and then click on the setting icon. And once you're in your setting, you can scroll down and click on view my story over here. And right now it's set on everyone, so everyone can view it if I post anything on my story. So go on custom, and once you're in your custom, choose the friend who can see it. I can click on Abhinav Timla, so Abhinav Timla can't view my story. So you can cross everybody who can see your story, and only uncross those people who can see your story. After doing that, you can go back. So wait, I want Asuyag Adhikari to not see my story, so only Abhinav Timla can see my story right now according to this setting. Now I can go back and I can post a story. So I can click a random photo or a random video. After clicking a random photo or a random video, I can click on this button over here. And after I click on this button, click on allow. Now I need to enter the URL, aka link, which I copied. So let me copy a link first and paste the link over here like this, and then search for it. And after I search for it, it's gonna make sure, is this the video we are talking about, or is this the link we are pasting? And as you guys can see, this is the video, so I can click on attach to snap, and my video has been attached to snap. Now I can click on this button over here to add it on my story. Click on add. Now wait for some time as the video is being added to my story, and after the video is added to my story, so now my story has uploaded. Now only Abhinav Timla can view it. So that's basically how we do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on. Comment down below what type of video we should make next, and if you guys have any question related with this video, feel free to comment down below. I'll answer you guys and help you solve your problem, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.